Hi, so this question is pass a pillow. So I'm going to just rephrase the word a little bit. Maybe not, but whatever. So you're given n times. So I'm just using this as an example. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can pass the pillow from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 back to 3, 3 back to 2, 2 back to 1. So this is considered a one complete. Let me see, one completed run. All right. So think about this. How many index? How many times? This is times. How many times you given that you stop at the same index? So for example, 5, 1. So time is 5, right? So you pass the pillow from 1 to 2. So it's 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. So you stop at this, right? What happens if the time is 1? From 1 to 2, 1 times, right? So what happens if you pass the pillow 7 times? 1 time, 2 times, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So no matter what, like this is a circular, you consider this as a circular. So you're going to have, the times can be larger, like 10,000s, 100,000s, doesn't matter. But I know the constraint is thousands only. So you want to avoid, keep traversing based on the n. So what you can do is you're using a mod to, get rid of the, you know, irrelevant traversal. So let's think about this. For one completed run, so let's see the size. Size is what? Size is 4, right? N, that represent n, right? N equal to 4. Okay. So let me change the color. All right. So how many times in one completed run? How many times you pass the pillar? 1 time, 2 times, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? You do one completed time is 6. So as a result, like you can try on another example. As a result, it's going to be n times 2 minus 2. So for example, n equal to 4 in this case. 4 times 2, 8, minus 2 is 6. So this is number of the times for one completed run. So if you want to just consider this one, like if this is given at 100, 200, 300, you want to know, like you want to get straight to the point, right? So it's going to be times more by this one completed run, right? And then you want to make sure this is for completed run, right? And then you want to make sure for one direction, like one way direction, this color, for one way direction, how many times you need to pass? So 1, 2, 3. So this is 3. That is equal to what? N minus 1. Okay. So it's going to be n minus 1 right here, and then minus the time that you pass the pillow in one completed run. And then this whole thing, it needs to be absolute, right? Because you can go backward, right? And when you go backward, like this is going to be what? A really large number, maybe larger than this, right? So it has to be absolute. Okay, so once you have this index, so this represents x. So once you have x value, then you can calculate where's the pillow stop. So the pillow is going to be stopped by n minus x. Okay, so you have to actually draw this on the paper and then you will see what happened. And there's stop coding. So this is the algorithm, right? So it's going to be return n minus math.absolute. And it's going to be n minus 1 that represent a one-way direction pillow you pass. And then this represent times mod by n times 2 minus 2. This represent one completed run. This represent one way, how many times you pass. So once this happen, and then you mod by, you n minus this whole thing, then you know where the pillow stop. So yeah, you want to return the pillow, right? Okay, submit. Yeah. Okay. So that's it. Time and space, all constant, right? Time and space are constant. So if you struggle, you can go to the the discussion here. It's pretty well defined. I mean, well explained in here. So yeah, just make sure you go over. Like maybe I didn't explain well, but yeah, thank you so much. See you.